Hello friends, here we will see Frobenius matrix. This is a special kind of matrix which is defined as matrix is 3 by 3 order, and its every diagonal element is 1 1 1, and other elements is other entry or other than main diagonal element is of 1, at least one column is arbitrary and every other entry is 0, just like you see example here. This is 1 1 1, this is fixed, and other entry is one arbitrary and all other are 0. Similarly, 1 1 1 and other entry is arbitrary and all other are 0. Similarly, here it is arbitrary and all other are 0. Similarly, here it is here arbitrary and all other are 0. Similarly, it is here arbitrary and all other are 0. Similarly, all the possible cases. There is 6 cases of Frobenius matrix. What is a speciality of this matrix? If you find the inverse of this matrix will become equal to original matrix, but change the sign in the constant z. So in every cases, if you find the inverse of this, the inverse of this will be same matrix but equal to change the sign of minus z. Similarly, if you find the inverse of this, the same matrix will come but change sign of minus z. So if you find the inverse of this matrix, same matrix will come but change sign of minus z. Similarly, if you find the inverse of this matrix, same matrix will come but change sign of minus z. Similarly, if you find the inverse of this Frobenius matrix, same matrix will come but change sign of minus z. Similarly, if you find the inverse of this matrix, same matrix will come but change sign of minus z. So how to find the inverse? Do you know the simple MLFM rule? You don't need to find the adjoint A separately, but MLFM rule directly give the adjoint A. So what is the MLFM? This is first, middle and last column. You put you mark the F, first column, middle column, last column. Now same things right here: middle, last, first, middle. Now middle, begin with middle. One in the middle row. This is last row. This is first row. This is middle row. So in middle row, take from middle 1 z and 0 1. This is middle, again z, फिर 0 1 in middle row. Last row, begin with middle 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Come here, then again go back and come to beginning. Similarly, first row, begin from here, come here 0, first row में 0 0, again go back 1 0, and middle row is 1 z 0 1. So simply you have to multiply this, just like determinant you find 1 multiply 1 minus z multiply 0, it will become 1. Similarly, z multiply 0, 1 minus 0, it will become 0. 0 multiply 0 minus 0 multiply 0. So if you find in this way, it will give you adjoint A, or adjoint A equal A inverse is equal to 1 beta dt but adjoint A. And you should know that all the determinant of this Frobenius matrix is equal to 1 only. So it doesn't depend on z. It will give you 1. So in all the cases, inverse is Frobenius matrix of inverse is change sign of minus z. Thank you.